Unlike older HDMI-only models, this BENFEI model is purpose-built for today's USB Type-C video devices. My workflow often involves streaming gameplay and recording high-res video calls, and setting up the capture card was effortless. Just connect the USB Type-C device on one end and the computer on the other. It recognized every device instantly: iPhone 15, Galaxy S24, Switch, Steam Deck, even iPad Pro 2024, with zero driver installation needed on Windows, Mac OS, and Android systems. The card supports up to 4K at 30 Hz input, but really shines with 1080p at 60 Hz capture. Recording high-paced game clips, streaming, or even mirroring app demos delivered stunning clarity, color, and fluidity. Whether capturing from console, tablet, or phone, image quality was consistently sharp and immersive, without any blue screens or artifacts, thanks to its advanced IC chip minimizing latency and transmission delay.